Just out here in tropical Gulf Acres, Florida. It's outside of Punta Gorda, south of Punta Gorda. Just getting ready to kayak this little lake. It goes pretty long, but it's gonna be a good time today. Just had to wait out some rain, but I think we're gonna be clear. It's pretty hot, but it's gonna be a good time. Let's get it.
Fear and adrenaline and rush and stress makes these type of moments feel like bliss. I got scars, I don't need tattoos. Might be dumb, but I'm not confused. I don't work, but I got my use. Do no harm, but I break the rules. Always calm, but I make them snap. Scared of me, but I make them clap. Know my place, but I got no map. Shining bright, but I'm dressed in black. Go too far, but I make it back. Go too far, but I make it last. They don't know, but I make it back. Got nobody I need to ask. Go too far, but I make it back. Shout at me, but they won't distract. Climbing down, but I make it back. I've been shook, but I stay intact. Go too far, but I make it back. Got my goal, I don't need a map. Off the road, but I make it back. Know my place, but I got no flag. Go too far, but I make it back. Took a win, but I do not brag. Took a loss, but I make it back. On my own, I will make it last. I got scars, I don't need tattoos. I'm on top, I don't need the views. Been some time, but I make the news. On my own, but I do not lose. Always calm when I make them snap. Settle down, but I don't unpack. Mask on me, but I do not act. Took a hit, but I do not crack. Go too far, but I make it back. Go too far, but I make it last. They don't know, but I make it back. Got nobody I need to ask. Go too far, but I make it back. Shout at me, but they won't distract. Climbing down, but I make it back. I've been shook, but I stay intact. Go too far, but I make it back.
Well, I definitely found the rain. I am getting pretty wet right now. It's alright. Right in the wild outback. Gator. Man, he's a big boy. Woo, I'm getting out of here. Oh man, there he is. Just cruising. He's just cruising. Hey everybody, this video is a little bit different than normal. These were originally shorts, but there were some audio issues. Shorts didn't get uploaded properly because of the audio issues, so I just had to make a video, join all the shorts together, make some of my own beats, some of my own songs for some of the clips, so that way there wouldn't be any kind of audio issues. I hope you all enjoyed, and let me know in the comments. Have a great day.